Welcome to Venu Maths Academy. In this video, discuss about straight lines, IIT JEE Mains, some objective type questions. Question number 61. The area of the triangle formed by the lines x equal to 0, y equal to 0 and x sine 18 degree plus y cos 36 degree plus 1 equal to 0. Here the four options are given. Here three equations are given. X equal to 0 is y-axis, equation of y-axis. Y equal to 0 is equation of x-axis. This is the line. By observing the diagram, x-axis, y-axis, origin. This is the x-axis. This equation is y equal to 0. This is the y-axis. This equation is x equal to 0. Here one line is there. X sine 18 degree plus y cos 36 degree plus 1 equal to 0. Here this line form a triangle with coordinate axis. Given x equal to 0, y equal to 0 and x sine 18 degree, y cos 36 degree plus 1 equal to 0. Here a equal to sine 18 degree, b equal to cos 36 degree, c equal to 1. Let it be, this is equation 1. Equation 1 form a triangle with coordinate axis. If ax plus by plus c equal to 0 form a triangle with coordinate axis, area is equal to c square by 2 mod ab. This is the formula. Here c value is 1. 2 into mod sine 18 degree into b cos 36 degree. We know that sine 18 degree value root 5 minus 1 by 4. Cos 36 degree value root 5 plus 1 by 4. 1 by 2 into root 5 minus 1 by 4, root 5 plus 1 by 4. Here, root 5 minus 1, root 5 plus 1, a square minus b square. 5 square minus 1, root 5 whole square, 5 minus 1. 1 by 2 into 5 minus 1, 4 into 4, 16. 2 1s, 2 8. 2 8s. 1 by 4 by 2. 4 by 8. 5 minus 1, 4. 2 1s, 2 8. 4 1s, 4 2. 1 by 1 by 2. 1 by 1 by 2 is equal to 2 square units. 2 square units, that is second option is right. Question number 62. If a straight line perpendicular to 3x minus 4y minus 6 equal to 0 forms a triangle with the coordinate axis whose area is 6 square units, then the equation of straight line. Here the four options are given. In this question, equation of line is given. Equation of line 3x minus 4y minus 6 equal to 0. Here x coefficient a equal to 3, y coefficient b equal to minus 4, constant c equal to minus 6. The straight line perpendicular to perpendicular to given line, the straight line perpendicular to given line bx minus ay plus k equal to 0. If ax plus by plus c equal to 0, perpendicular form bx minus ay plus k equal to 0. b minus 4 minus 4x, a 3 minus 3y plus k equal to 0. b minus 4 minus 4x, a minus 3y, k constant is k. Multiply with minus 4, 4x plus 3y minus k equal to 0. Here to observe the diagram, this is the diagram, x-axis, y-axis, this is the line 3x minus 4y minus 6 equal to 0, perpendicular to 4x plus 3y minus k. This is the line 4x plus 3y minus k equal to 0. Form a triangle with, this is the equation 1. Form a triangle with coordinate axis. Given that the straight line form a triangle with coordinate axis, the area is 6 square units. Equation 1, form a triangle with coordinate axis. Coordinate axis. In equation 1, a equal to 4, b equal to 3, c equal to minus k. Here the area is given in question. Area is equal to 6 square units. Apply the formula c square by 2 mod ab is equal to 6. Here c value is minus k. Minus k whole square, k square. 2 into, here apply multiplication, 4 into 3, 12. Modulus of 12, 12 is equal to 6. 2 into 12, 24. One step direct. 6 into 24, 144. K square equal to 144. K equal to plus or minus 12. Plus or minus 12 in equation 1. K square equal to 144, k equal to plus or minus 12 in equation 1. 4x plus 3y, k value plus or minus 12 equal to 0. 4x plus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. 4x plus 3y equal to minus 12. In this question, 4x plus 3y equal to 12 is given. Therefore, in this option, 4x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0, 4x plus 3y equal to 12. Here two answers are there. One answer 4x plus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. In option there is no 4x plus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. 4x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. 4x plus 3y equal to 12. That is second option is correct. Question number 63. The equation of base of an equilateral triangle is x plus y equal to 2 and the vertex is 2 comma minus 1. Then area of triangle is, here the four options are given. Here in this question, triangle ABC is an equilateral. ABC triangle is equilateral. Here base, this is BC is the base is given, x plus y equal to 2, that is x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. One vertex is given 2 comma minus 1. Here the area of triangle, to find the height of the triangle, this is the height of the triangle H. Area, if the height is given, area of equilateral triangle h square by root 3. Let triangle ABC is an equilateral base BC, base of the triangle, x plus y equal to 2, plus 2 becomes minus 2, x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. Let a equal to 2 comma minus 1. First find the h value. H is the perpendicular distance from a 2 comma minus 1 to the line BC, x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. H equal to perpendicular distance from A 2 comma minus 1 to x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. The perpendicular distance formula, you know that mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. This is the formula for perpendicular distance. This is x1 2 comma minus 1 x1 y1. Mod ax1, here a value 1 into 2 mod ax1 by1, b value 1 into minus 1 c minus 2 mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square x coefficient 1 b square y coefficient is also 1 plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled, modulus of minus 1 plus 1 by root 2. Height of the equilateral triangle is 1 by root 2. Area of equilateral triangle formula 1 by root 3 into h square. 1 by root 3 into h square. Here h value is 1 by root 2. One step is direct. 1 by root 2 whole square 1 by 2. 1 by root 3 into 1 by 2. 1 by 2 root 3. Here there is no option 1 by 2 root 3. Here to multiply and divide with root 3. Area is equal to root 3, 2 root 3 into root 3. Root 3, 3. 3 into 2, 6. Root 3 by 6 square units. The area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 6 square units. That is second option is right. Question number 64. Area of triangle formed by angle bisector of coordinate axis and the line x equal to 6 in square units. Here are the four options. In this question, triangle formed by angle bisector of coordinate axis. Angle bisector of coordinate axis means, to observe that this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. Two lines, angle bisector of coordinate axis, total angle of coordinate axis 90 degree. The line passing through 45 degree. That line is called angle bisector of line. Here two lines are there in straight line. This is the line y is equal to x. Bisect the coordinate axis 45 degree. This is the line y is equal to x. This is the angular bisector line. Y is equal to x. Another line. This is the origin. Y is equal to minus x. Very important. In a straight line, if the lines y is equal to x and y is equal to minus x bisect the angular bisector of the coordinate axis. This line bisect 45 degree. Y is equal to minus x also bisect 45 degree. Y is equal to x, y is equal to minus x. Here one line is given x equal to 6. X equal to 6 is the line parallel to y-axis. This is the line x equal to 6. Cut these lines y is equal to x, y is equal to minus x at A and B points. O, A, B. This is a triangle. To find this area. Here the angle bisector of coordinate axis. Let it be OA y is equal to x. This is equation 1, OA line. And OB is also angle bisector. Y is equal to minus x. This is equation 2. And given line x equal to 6. Let it be AB x equal to 6. Third equation. Here to find the area of triangle, to find the vertex, O vertex, A vertex and B vertex. O is the point of intersection of 1 and 2, 0, 0. O equal to point of intersection of 1 and 2, that equal to 0, 0. This is the AB line is the third equation. A is the point of intersection of 1 and 3. Capital A is the point of intersection of 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Here x equal to 6 in equation 3, x equal to 6. Apply in equation 1. In equation 1, x equal to 6, y is equal to 6. Then capital A is equal to 6, 6. Capital A 6, 6. B equal to point of intersection of 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Here also in equation 3, x equal to 6. Apply in equation 2. In equation 2, substitute x equal to 6. Then y is equal to minus 6. Y equal to minus 6. The B coordinates is 6, minus 6. B coordinate is 6, minus 6. Here all vertices of triangle OAB, O equal to 0, 0, A equal to 6, 6, A value 6, 6, B equal to 6, minus 6. This coordinate is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. If one vertex is 0, 0, then area formula, area is equal to of mod x1 y2 minus x2 y1. This is the formula. Here of mod x1 y2, x1 6, y2 minus 6. 6 into minus 6, minus 36. x2 6, y1 6. 6 into 6, 36. Minus 36, minus 36, minus 72. Modulus of 72 plus 72. 236. 2 ones, 236. 36 square unit. This is the area of the triangle. First option is correct. Question number 65. The quadratic equation whose roots are the x and y intercepts of the line passing through 1, 1 and making a triangle of area capital A. Area value is capital A is given. Capital A with the coordinate axes. These are 4 options is in the form of quadratic equation forms. In this question, this is the x-axis and y-axis. Here, generally, x-intercept is small a, y-intercept is small b. Here this is small capital P and small capital Q. The line cuts x-axis at P, y-axis at Q. Here the area of triangle value is given capital A in this question. The area of triangle OPQ is given capital A. Let the passing through the point R is equal to 1 comma 1. The line passing through capital R 1 comma 1. X-intercept equal to small a. Y-intercept equal to small b. X-intercept to small a, Y-intercept to small b. Equation of line x by a plus y by b equal to 1. R equal to 1 comma 1 lies on the line. Substitute in x replace 1, y replace 1. 1 by a plus 1 by b equal to 1. Here AB is the LCM. AB is the LCM. AB is the LCM. AB. Here B plus A. B plus A equal to 1. B plus A is same as A plus B. A plus B is equal to AB. This is one condition. A plus B equal to AB. 1 comma 1 lies on first quadrant. If the area of triangle is generally x by a plus y by b equal to 1, area of triangle formula of mod AB. X by a plus y by b equal to 1, area of triangle. In first quadrant, the formula is of AB. In a question, area equal to capital A. Area equal to capital A. Of AB equal to A. AB equal to cross multiply 2A. Here, to find quadratic equation, roots are x and y intercept. X intercept, A is one root, B is one root. One formula, if alpha comma beta are roots, then quadratic equation x square minus x into alpha plus beta equal to 0. This is the formula. Alpha beta are the roots, x square minus x, alpha plus beta equal to 0. In this question, x and y intercepts are roots. If A and B, small a and b are roots, then quadratic equation, x square minus x into a plus b plus ab equal to 0. A plus b equal to ab. X square minus x into ab. AB equal to 2a. AB 2a. AB equal to 2a. Here substitute 2a. X square 2a into x 2ax plus 2a equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. X square minus 2ax plus 2a equal to 0. Second option is right. Okay students, these are the questions, question number 2, 61 to 65. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. And also if you have any doubt, drop them in the comment section.